political opponent dies. And of course, there can only be one. And I'd like to know the history of that rule. This is enforced in the way that it's enforced. What do you think?
10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Centerville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brent, Centerville, Burfield, Iron North Park, Aggie at 6 miles. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Alabama.
You know what? I'm not interested in holding people on.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for north central Fulton County, southeast Shelby County until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbus, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Shelby, Newcomb Park, East Maxwell Park, Alabama Fort Worth Center, Matthew Creek, Highway 145 and 346, Spring Creek, Kelly Bridge, and Shelby Shores. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter to protect yourself from falling debris. Repeating, the tornado warning has been issued.
Emergency funds will pay your landlord and utilities directly.